What's up guys, it's your boy Gabriel here with my FS94R Stihl string trimmer. I am about to start this, cold start it with an old spark plug, air filter and gas filter and see how many pulls it takes me. Then we're going to take this thing apart, put a brand new maintenance kit on it, fire it up, let's see how many pulls it takes right after that. Alright guys, FS94R out here. This is a cold start crank up. I haven't cranked this thing all day today. Did some string trimming with it yesterday, so it still has been run recently, but let's see how many cranks it takes without the new maintenance kit on it. Right, the counter is going to be up in the corner. Let's see how many cranks the FS94R takes. Cold start. No choke. Honestly thought it'd be more, but y'all, that's why you buy a Stihl. Let's jump in and let's go ahead and put a maintenance kit on this thing. All right, we got new spark plug, new air filter, and new fuel filter in the FS94R. Another crank test, and then we'll take it to a real test. Let's go ahead and get some crispy edges. First off, pull counter in the corner. That's that Stihl power, baby. Alright guys, if you enjoyed today's video, if you wouldn't mind slapping that like button, trimming the subscribe button just a little bit, turning that bad boy gray, y'all stay tuned for more Unbroken content.